Severe storms moved through Mount Pleasant late Sunday night, followed by a strong cold front on Monday that brought high wind warnings to Isabella County throughout the day. According to a Weather Underground report, sustained wind speeds averaged nearly 20 miles an hour, with gusts up to 53 miles per hour. The strong gust caused widespread damage, knocking down trees and large branches throughout the city. Gusts were strong enough to tear off roofing shingles in an apartment complex on Broomfield Road. Downed power lines shut off traffic lights at the corner of Pickard and Mission Roads, causing traffic backups and some local businesses to shut their doors early. A Walgreens store on the corner braved the outage and served customers in dark aisles with cash-only purchases. Power was restored to the area by the end of the day.